I think if they've already got a passion for science, that's a great start. And so I think one thing that's really important is perseverance. So if you've got that curiosity, that interest to kind of try and understand what things are, why things are the way they are, I think you should kind of persevere and kind of follow up and don't let anything stop you kind of carrying on and taking that interest further.
I think if as a child you have a passion for how the world works and why things happen the way they are, then a career in science is a good thing to do. I mean, it's so fun going in every day and being able to do experiments for my job. So I'd say keep up with it. Attend museums and interactive talks and things like that to keep it up as a hobby and in school as well.
So if you want to be a scientist, I would really encourage you. I think it's the best job in the world. We get to do so much fun stuff. We get to travel and find out things nobody knows. So I would suggest that you get as involved as you can. Ask questions, email scientists and ask them about what they do. We love to talk about what we do and try and get involved. You can visit a lab. Most people will have a student in the summer when they're in high school to visit, get a little experience. When you go to college, try and pick. When you go to university or A-levels, try and pick science subjects and see if you really like them. It's really worth doing if you're interested. It is so much fun.
I would say definitely go for it. Science is really good fun. You can be really inquisitive and ask lots of stupid questions, but at the end of it you might make a real difference to an important topic.
Explore all the different areas, new things that you haven't necessarily come across before, because you may find that there's something that interests you that you didn't know would be interesting. When I was a kid, I used to keep a book of my inventions for different things, and I still go back and look at that sometimes, so try and keep a record of what you're doing.
So I would say keep asking questions, ask lots and lots of questions, and it doesn't matter if the people who you're talking to don't know the answer, that's a good thing. And that you should carry that on throughout your life. So even when you do your first degree, keep asking questions and don't worry about looking stupid, because sometimes either the question that you're thinking of is on everyone else's mind and they're too afraid to say it, or it's a simple question, and simple questions are sometimes the best questions.
But I would just say try it out, and if you think you're having fun, then definitely persist with it, because the rewards are really good in terms of both your own development as a person, but also for the things that you can do to help other people. So yeah, try it out.